residents and visitors of St. Martin. This is your Prime Minister. As Chairlady of the Emergency Operations Center, I convened an EUC meeting on Monday morning at 9 a.m. to assess the weather situation based on the remnants of Beryl passing through the Leeward Islands. Even though the tropical storm watch for St. Martin was discontinued for the country by the Meteorological Department late Sunday afternoon after Tropical Storm Beryl became a remnant weather system, the EUC continued to take a cautious approach. As Prime Minister, I would like to remind the general public to continue to be proactive as this was an exercise in hurricane preparedness. At 5 p.m. on Monday afternoon, the EUC was officially deactivated since the remnants of Beryl no longer posed a direct threat to St. Martin. I would like to thank the public for their diligence in monitoring the storm and the 10 emergency support functions who performed optimally during this exercise in preparing for Beryl. 3 shelters were opened on Sunday afternoon: the Milton Peters College Gym, Dutch Quarter Community Center, and the Christian Fellowship Church in Colby, and at 5 p.m. on Monday, all shelters were closed. I would like to thank the St. Martin Voluntary Corps soldiers as well as the shelter management staff from the St. Martin Red Cross and K1 Britannia who manned the shelters during the passing of the storm. An assessment carried out at the shelters on Monday revealed that no persons made use of the shelters. As a precautionary measure, assistance of the Dutch military was requested. As of Monday afternoon, this is no longer necessary. As we are heading into the peak of the hurricane season, the public is reminded for official local weather and government-related information, please visit meteosxm.com, the Government of St. Martin's website, stmartingov.org, or the government's social media Facebook page, or tune into Government Radio 107.9 FM. I thank you and may God bless our land, St. Martin, and keep us safe.